Namaste. PRIMA founded in the year 1992 with a capital of 140 rupees for providing solution of ultrasonic technology products and gas detectors, analyzers related to the safety and pollution measurement application. The first decade was a period of intense struggle since we had to first create awareness among industries about the benefit of gas detectors for safety, pollution, and environment monitoring, and thereby serving and conserving our environment. Having born and lived in Gujarat, I was already familiar with the chemical industrial zones and the tough environment in which they operate. Therefore, when we started designing products, our first priority was to build equipment with the ruggedness and sustainability so as to cope up with the harsh environment. The electronic PCBs, controllers, panels, enclosures, sensors, and other such parts used in equipment are able to withstand the toughest industrial environment. This has made PRIMA different from other players. In 1998, we got an opportunity to develop import substitute emission monitoring system, and that sparked off a new journey in terms of design development and innovation. PRIMA now provides customized solutions in the sector of pollution and environment monitoring applications to various industries in India and overseas. At that time, gas detectors and analyzers were imported and only used by the large size industries. The small and medium sized industries could not afford them. Therefore, affordable equipment solutions offered by us come as a boom for SME. PRIMA USP is being provided solutions and not just an equipment. The utilization of a built-up manufacturing facility of 25,500 square feet in 39,000 square feet land includes a dedicated research and development department for continual innovation, a technical department for application support, a production and assembly area, separate manufacturing facility for export, and a product gallery area showcasing a full range of product has made PRIMA a unique in field of gas detection. PRIMA is an integrated management system certified with ISO 9001, 14001, and 45000 certification from GUE. PRIMA is only manufacturing company having its testing and calibration laboratory accredited for ISO IC 17025 standard for testing as per the DIN EN 15267-3 standards in Asia. The infrastructure has an environment-friendly atmosphere with the capacity to produce more than 300 systems and 1,000 plus portable equipment. Our future thrust is on continual innovation and research to be truly made in India product, proudly exporting to 12 plus more countries and to have manufacturing unit 2 plus countries globally by 2023. My mantra for success is very simple. If you can dream it, you can do it. If you can visualize it, you can definitely actualize it. Wish PRIMA always remain instrumental in making India proud. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.